प्रधानमंत्री कार्यालय में राज्य मंत्री डॉक्टर जितेंद्र सिंह ने स्टार्टअप व औद्योगिक प्रबंधन के बीच मजबूत गठजोड़ की आवश्यकता पर बल देते हुए कहा है कि एक स्टार्टअप की सफलता के लिए मजबूत औद्योगिक समर्थन आवश्यक है। सोमवार को जम्मू शहर से सटे जगटी में इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट में एमबीए छात्रों के पहले बैच के लिए आयोजित ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम के उद्घाटन कार्यक्रम को संबोधित करते हुए डॉक्टर जितेंद्र सिंह ने अरोमा मिशन का हवाला देते हुए कहा कि इस मामले में सरकार ने सहयोग किया और लेवेंडर की खेती करने वालों को बाजार उपलब्ध करवाया ताकि लेवेंडर से बने परफ्यूम व अन्य उत्पादों को बाजार उपलब्ध हो सके। युवा वर्ग के बारे में चर्चा करते हुए डॉक्टर जितेंद्र सिंह ने कहा कि प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी के कार्यकाल में इस समय अच्छे अवसर उपलब्ध हैं। स्टार्टअप सफलता की नई उड़ान भर रहा है और नए अवसर सामने आ रहे हैं। डॉक्टर सिंह ने कहा कि पहले टेक्नोलॉजी चंद लोगों तक सीमित थी, लेकिन अब हर किसी के लिए उपलब्ध है और युवाओं को इसका लाभ उठाना चाहिए। युवाओं से 2047 के भारत के लिए खुद को तैयार करने की अपील करते हुए डॉक्टर जितेंद्र सिंह ने कहा कि सरकार अपने युवाओं को नई कौशल से सुसज्जित करने, उन्हें विश्व स्तरीय शिक्षा देने व विकसित भारत का आर्किटेक्ट बनाने की दिशा में काम कर रही है और इस लक्ष्य को हासिल करने के लिए प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी की सरकार की ओर से लाई गई नई शिक्षा नीति अहम भूमिका निभाने वाली है।
At the outset, I must compliment the chairman, the director of IIM Jammu for having successfully inducted the 9th batch today. And it gives me an added pleasure and pride also to see that we have grown these institutions growing from the infancy, rather from the day they were conceived. I've been associated both with these twin institutions of IIT and IIM, which are actually located next to each other. And we have seen, and today it was heartening and gladdening to find that more than 350 new students from all parts of the country, virtually from every state and UT, have taken admission in the last 2-3 days in this 9th batch. And it gives us an added sense of vindication, when we recall that we have seen those times that even faculty was not ready to join IIT and IIM. So we had to literally struggle to find a director, both for IIM Jammu and also for IIT. Though of course we got a very illustrious lot there in the form of a director for both these institutions. So going from there, among the 21 IIMs that we have across the country today, I think I can say with a reasonable amount of confidence that among the newer IIMs that have come up during the Modi government, Jammu has been rated as among the better ones. Our placement is also 100% and they are evolving each year to the next level. And the other experiment which has been successfully conducted over here is that they have entered into a multi-MOU among all the institutions, which was actually suggested by me about 3 years back, because incidentally Jammu is a place where in a vicinity of 4 or 5 kilometers, you have IIT, you have IIM, you have AIMS, you have CSIR, IIIM, you have Central University, which has North India's first space technology teaching department called the Satish Dhawan Center. So all of them are now working in an integrated fashion, because as all of us now realize, the era of working in silos is over. So we have to grow further from here. As the Prime Minister Modi keeps saying that we have to be third economy, we are already fifth. That is possible only we move ahead in an integrated fashion. And also, many of the new avenues which are going to add value to India's economy in the future are going to emanate from here. We have successfully conducted Aroma mission in Jammu and Kashmir, the Purple Revolution, which has given rise to a new genre of agri-startups called Lavender startups. And again, IIM has a huge, and CSIR has a huge participation in that, because I firmly believe that to sustain a startup, you need to have a very strong industry and marketing and management linkage right from day one, which we experimented with Aroma, as a result of which many of the boys and girls working in corporate sector are giving up their jobs and coming here to start these startups. So I think with the kind of regional assets that we have over here, which had not been fully explored, and the startup movement which picked up elsewhere in the country, but because of the slow pace of change of mindset happening here, it took some time for it. But now we have the new lot, the newer generation of boys and girls who are highly aspirational. So I think this is one of the better times happening for the youngsters who are going to be the architects of 2047 India, and it's also one of the better times happening for the academia and the academia related activities in startups for the Jammu region. So I again compliment.
Sir,
Yes, but yes, of course, it's become education hub, but not only limited to degrees. We have now graduated out of that era where the education meant only piling up degrees and producing a huge lot of educated unemployed or degree holder. These are the institutions which are working in an integrated fashion to produce young boys and girls who would be employable. They'll be startups, they'll have different areas of options of livelihood, and they would also contribute to the task of nation building.
sir, do you see that?
I think all of us are proud of about that, and everybody knows. I mean, the kind of popularity he enjoys across the world. It's the longest serving head of state across the world. And most of the other heads of state in other parts are far junior. In fact, they look up to him for his advice, his counsel. And he has emerged a global leader, a global statesman, and I would say a global counselor to the galaxy of other heads of state across the world.
हो गया ना, जरा पकड़ो, अपने साथ में हो गया।